If you have a house in Fairfield, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Fairfield. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Fairfield prefer to work with a direct buyer like us instead of working with a traditional buyer that might need to qualify for a loan or a mortgage to buy your house. So first things first, with us, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. There's no work you need to do. You don't need to come out of pocket whatsoever. And we'll buy the house as is. You don't got to fix anything. You don't need to clean anything. And you don't need to haul anything away. A normal conversation with a seller in Fairfield is, hey, take anything you want out of the house. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you can leave behind, and we'll simply take care of it for you. What allows us to buy the house in its true as-is condition is we don't need to rely on a lender. We don't need to rely on a bank or a mortgage lender. We're going to buy the house for cash, so we can truly buy the house in its as-is condition. With a traditional buyer who's using a lender, that comes with it a thorough inspection. And, you know, they're going to come in. It's quite intrusive if you ask me. They're going to test every single electrical outlet. They're going to test every light switch, they're going to test every ceiling fan, open and close the doors and the windows, and they're going to compile pages and pages upon everything wrong with the house, and that could only be used against you as the seller. They're going to maybe ask for extensions and ask for discounts and ask for more time or ask for something from you, credits and something like that. Use this to renegotiate. With us, we don't do that. And also with a traditional buyer, they're going to need to get an appraisal done. And if the house doesn't meet the appraisal requirements for any reason, they can pull the rug out from under this thing and actually send you back to square one, which is a huge waste of time. But in real estate, like most things in life, it's not just time that's wasted, it's money. And every day that has gone on now where you're wasting time, every day that you didn't close your house in Fairfield, it's another day you got to pay the utilities, you got to pay the property taxes, you got to pay the insurance. It's just a huge opportunity cost. So with us, there's none of that. We're a direct buyer. You're the seller, we're the buyer, and we're going to give you a fair price. So if you have a house in Fairfield and you want to get an offer or at least just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When we get on the phone, it is an easy conversation. We don't need to pressure you or anything like that. We're going to give you a fair cash offer on the house. And if you take it, great. If it works for you, if it doesn't work for you, that's okay too. There's never going to be any sales tactics, games, or anything like that. So if you have a house in Fairfield, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it's Columbus in the website name, but we're very familiar with Fairfield. We buy houses actually all over the Cincinnati area, and we're all over the state of Ohio, but we were just founded in Columbus. So number one last time here is 614-300-5151 and our website, sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.